take off the connector from the BMS. I need you to check the voltage on the connectors, and there is 11 pins on the connector, and you need to check the voltage, each voltage for the 11 pins. Okay, begin. Red pen for the first pin, and the black pen to the second pin, and you can see the voltage is 3.7. Okay, the second one. Second is also 3.7. The third. The third pin also 3.7. The four. The four also 3.7. Okay. The five 3.7. The six also 3.7. The seven 3.7. The eight 3.7. The nine 3.7. The 10 3.7. So there is 10 dates, and all the voltage should all the same. If one is not same, that means this series battery should have some problem. Then you need to check. For example, if this pin voltage is not 3.7, and you need to check this wire on the battery, check the wire is any loose, such as here. Here always we are loose. So you need to, if you find that there is voltage is not same as others, you need to check the voltage on this wire. Okay.
Thank you.